Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is how to cook Nigerian coconut fried rice recipe, and here is the delicious result of it all. I'm sure you would like to know how I came up with this coconut fried rice. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. The recipes I have for the Nigerian coconut fried rice are here. You can add or reduce, there is no problem about that. What I am using is my choice, alright? Here I got uncooked rice, curry powder, dry thyme, all-purpose seasoning, salt to taste, white pepper. You can as well use black pepper or scotch bonnet pepper, there is no problem about that. Onion, garlic, ginger, chicken seasoning, bay leaf, vegetable oil, carrots, bell peppers. I got green and red. You can feel free to use any color of your choice. Green beans, spring onion, coconut milk, sweet corn, green pea, hard chicken, and lastly I got prawns. Please, I have a video of how I clean and devein the prawns. Check the video out at the description box or my pinned comment. For the vegetable, please do feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. There is no problem about that. Now let's prep our vegetables, which is bell peppers, carrots, spring onion, and the rest of them as seen. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please do so. Like the video, share the video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comments as you keep watching. After prepping the recipes, this is what we got. Beautiful, right? Let's move to the next section. I'll be seasoning the chicken with minced ginger, garlic, onion. Next goes in dry thyme, followed by curry powder, white pepper, chicken seasoning, seasoning powder, and some salt to taste. After which I will add in my bay leaf and then stir to combine. After stirring, cover to steamer on a low heat for 10 minutes before adding any extra water. While the chicken is cooking, I will wash the rice, and to that I will be washing with salt until the water is clean and clear. And please make sure you wash it very well so that your rice won't stick after frying it, alright? It is 10 minutes now. I have to check back on the chicken, and to that I'll be adding an extra water and cook the chicken until it is very soft. The chicken is good to go, and this took me about 45 minutes because it's a hard chicken. I will remove from the heat, and here I got it ready to be grilled. You can fry the chicken as well or use your air fryer if you have one. There is no problem about that. This is the chicken after grilling. I will transfer it to my warmer for it not to be cooked completely before the fried rice will be ready. Next is to sieve the chicken broth or stock, whichever one you know it with, because we need it clear without particles. You can trash the leftover, but for me I will be using it for my jollof rice. I've added the coconut milk as you can see, and now I am stirring to combine. You can also add water if needed, then add the rice and then stir very well to combine. After which, transfer to a stove top, and to this I'll be testing for salt, and I find out that I needed a little salt. And after adding the salt, I will cover and cook on a medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes, or may I say cook until soft. But of a truth, Nigerian fried rice don't supposed to be too soft, but should not be too hard as well. All things balanced, alright? Next is to season the prawns, and to that I will be using only all-purpose seasoning. Please do feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, alright? And this is done. Next is to check on the rice, and I find out that the rice is soft to my taste. I will remove from the heat and set aside to cool down before using it. Next is the frying action. Place a wok or pan on the heat and add a little vegetable oil. Please note, coconut milk contains a lot of oil. For that reason, you have to add a little vegetable oil, alright? Why I am saying this at this stage is because I will be using this same oil used to fry the prawns to also toast the rice as well. As you can see, I've added the prawns already, and to this I'll be frying on low heat until the both sides are golden brown. If you use a high heat to fry these prawns, they will cook out but not in, which may make some people, mainly we that are African, to complain of eating a raw prawns. Please do keep watching. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload beautiful videos like this. Share the video to families and friends, and please drop your comment. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up, because that will elevate this video to a higher level. The prawns is good to go now, meaning that it is cooked in and out. I will remove it from the heat and set aside. I'll be using the same oil used to fry the prawns to fry my vegetable as well. I've added the minced ginger, garlic and onion, and I will set to combine very well for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add the vegetables and stir into the ginger, garlic and onion. Once that is done, I will add the all-purpose seasoning and white pepper and stir as well to combine. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. As for the pepper, you can use black pepper or even Scotch bonnet pepper. There's no problem about that. After stirring the vegetable for 2 minutes, add the cooked coconut rice bit by bit. Don't add all at the same time, so that the rice will not be bigger than the vegetable or the vegetable bigger than the rice. Once the rice is well combined with the vegetable, add the fried prawns and then stir one more time. After stirring, cover and allow to simmer on a low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Five minutes later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Wow, this is really beautiful and tempting. Stir to combine once more, and then check and balance the taste, and I find out that the taste is really delicious. You can here serve and enjoy. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Nigerian coconut rice is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, this is the delicious and beautiful outcome of the Nigerian coconut fried rice recipe. If you do enjoy this recipe, please give us your feedback on our social media handle as usual. We are sure you enjoyed this video. If you really do, please give us your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.